How to use the massage gun for headaches. The first one is for our suboccipital muscles, so they are major headache muscles. They sit right along the skull here. So we're going to get our little massage gun, just turn him on light and place him right along that skull line for about 20 seconds or so. The second one is, of course, our upper traps, so notorious overworker. He sits along the shoulder here, so we're just going to place our massage gun along there. And we can start to move the head to the side just to get a bit more tension as we come through. The third notorious headache muscle is our SCM, or what I like to call our dinosaur muscle. So it sits right at the base of the skull, just behind the ear. You'll notice a little notch there. So we're just going to place the massage gun on there. Give him a good pummeling, and then we're going to come down to his other attachment, which is right on the collarbone. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and I will see you on the next one.